Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Quite a few German recipes ask for skinless almonds. Removing the skin is way easier than you might think. You just need to blanch the almonds. This softens the skin of the nut so it can be easily removed later. In this short video, I will show you how to blanch almonds and remove the skin in a few minutes. First, bring water to a boil in a medium pot or saucepan. Add the almonds and simmer them for about 2 minutes. Then strain the almonds and let them cool to the touch on a clean kitchen towel. To remove the skin, you can rub the almonds in the kitchen towel, or use thumb and pointer finger to press the almonds out of their skins. And that's it. In a few minutes the almonds are blanched and ready to use in your recipe.